to you and welcome to Inside UL News. My name is Itumeleng Tipela and we are reporting to you live at the University of Limpopo R40 Conference Hall, where the Water and Sanitation is hosting public lecture, Stakeholder Engagement, as well as Memorandum of Understanding.
Today's event is focused on the launch of the Memorandum of Understanding between the University of Limpopo and Lepelle Northern Water. We will also have a public lecture and stakeholder engagement under the theme Unlocking Opportunities in the Water Sector.
Well, the event is being conducted in collaboration with the Lepelle Northern Water and Sanitation as well to formally inaugurate their existing signed Memorandum of Understanding with the university.
Limpopo Northern Water is very proud today to associate itself with the University of Limpopo in this collaboration. We view this as a landmark and a historic decision by both institutions to collaborate on various issues, research and development, on innovation, on new technologies that is coming forward. But the most exciting part is that the university students will be able to gain knowledge in terms of the experience from internships at Lepelle Northern Water, together with the bursaries as well, and collaborate as well in terms of the supervision on postgraduate studies. And we think that this partnership, because it merges the two important things, which is theory and practice, and that makes us now the most powerful institutions together, because it's going to go a long way in terms of innovation, because we do know that the university is a hub for research and we are the practitioners. So the two experiences, when they merge, I think is going to produce the best results.
Present here is the Provincial Head Department of Water and Sanitation, Limpopo Region, Ms. Lusikobe, the Board Chairperson of Lepelle Northern Water, Dr. Ndweleni Mpepu, as well as the Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Cornelius Reuters.
How do we look at what we have and what we must preserve, and we must use it properly? These are the technical experts, these are the work, these are the researchers that work in Lepelle Northern Water, works within the Department of Water and Sanitation. It works, there's a number of researchers in university that are working on this, and research institutions, and we need to strengthen that capacity. In terms of the collaboration opportunities, that young minds such as yours, when we are not there within a number of years to come, you take over and drive the work that we are doing going forward.
Themed Unlocking Opportunities in the Water Sector, the lecture is intended to enhance student support as well as development and services within the department, as well as raising awareness within different career pathways in the Water and Sanitation Department. The event is currently underway and we will be looking to get more insights sometime later today, so stay tuned.
We also endeavor deepening the rich heritage of the strategic collaboration in critical areas of the water sector, such as human capital development and improving research output. We are inviting the university to collaborate also with the department in entrenching the role of women in the leadership as directed by Minister Majodina on the 4th of October 2024.
We have to work together. An institution like this and collaboration will make sure that it works. Why water is critical? If you look at sustainable development goals, they've got 17 of them, 17 goals. And I can tell you now, even if you look at poverty, we need water, as I've said, to make sure that there's economic development.
The importance of this collaboration between Lepelle Northern Water and the University of Limpopo is to expose our science and water students to the practical aspects of the training that they receive. Remember, our water and sanitation program is a problem-based learning program, and the students need to understand what actually happens in the water sector, so that when they leave the university, they have an idea of what it is that they should expect when they get into the world of work.